everybody, welcome back to Zevaulia with me Zeva. Today I will be taking you to a very special environmentally friendly event held by Greenpeace Indonesia and also WEWO or Weekend Workshop. It's gonna be super fun today. I can't wait to show you. It actually will commence for 2 days. This is the first day and there will be a seminar and also a workshop that I will be attending. So look forward to it and I can't wait to show you what's up.
Got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show.
Aku Naura dari Tukar Baju. Jadi sekarang kita lagi ada pop-up tukar baju nih di Museum Nasional kolaborasi dengan Greenpeace Indonesia. Jadi tukar baju sendiri itu adalah salah satu campaign yang diselenggarakan oleh Zero Waste ID untuk di tahun 2019 tentang sustainable fashion. Nah, gimana sih alurnya? Jadi nanti teman-teman itu registrasi dulu nih di depan. Setelah registrasi, kita cek ulang registrasinya sudah masuk atau belum. Nanti teman-teman boleh nunggu dulu nih di waiting bay. Setelah dari waiting bay, nanti teman-teman bisa ke kurator. Jadi teman-teman boleh bawa baju 5 baju, maksimal 5 baju yang bisa tukarkan ke event ini. Setelah lolos dari kurasi, nanti teman-teman bisa langsung ke display untuk milih bajunya. Misalkan teman-teman bawa 5 baju, ternyata yang lolos di kita cuma 3 baju, berarti teman-teman berhak menukarkan 3 baju teman-teman untuk ditukarkan di display kami. Nah, setelah dari situ teman-teman dapat tokennya nanti ditukarkan lagi di kasir di belakang.
Hi everybody, so now I am at the Tukar Baju area. As you can see, everybody here are picking their clothes. There are so many to choose from.
There must be something about the features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
I am so confused what to pick. There are so many pretty tops to choose from. Help!
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be.
Itu kita juga sekalian mendata juga Kak, kayak brand-brand apa aja sih yang ada di pantai itu yang ada banyak sampahnya. Dan ketika kita lihat ternyata tuh banyak banget sampah-sampah dari luar negeri, bahkan itu tuh ada di pantai kita.
Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
So today I'm going to be upcycling my shoes. As you can see here, I have my white shoes here and I'm going to be painting on it. This is a workshop that I'm attending and you can see the other participants right over there. So we will all be upcycling various attire and clothes that we have into something new by painting on them.
I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what's
Menikmati waktu dan tak ketinggalan pose favoritmu. Tapi laut bukan tempat sampahmu. Jangan kotori seenak jidatmu. Biar kenangan kau tinggalkan, bukan plastik bungkus makanan. Laut lebih